శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమద్భాగవతం. నిగమకల్పతరోర్గళితం ఫలం సుఖముఖాదమృతద్రవ సంయుతం పిబత భాగవతం రసమాలయం ముహురహో రసికా భువి భావుకాః. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీ సుఖ మహర్షి. యం ప్రవ్రజంతమనుపేతమపేతకృత్యం ద్వైపాయనో విరహకాతర ఆజుహావ పుత్రేతి తన్మయతయా తరవో వినేదుః తం సర్వభూతహృదయం మునిమానతోస్మి. నమస్కారం టు శ్రీమన్నారాయణ చతుర్ముఖ బ్రహ్మ సరస్వతీదేవి వ్యాస మహర్షి. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. Suta Maharshi is telling all other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, now Bhishma Pitamaha is getting ready to depart from that body. Bhishma Pitamaha praying Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Krishna, in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, Yudhi Turagarajo Vidhumra Vishvak, in that battlefield, when all the horses and other animals going here and there, with all that so much of dust spreaded all over, that dust spreaded on all of your hair, that hair is coming and spreading on your divine face, Vishvak, Kacha, Lulita, such beautifully moving around all those hair on your face, Hayarinka Mukha Dhuli Dhusara Parinyastala Kopetamai, such beautiful face which can captivate, which can influence all the planets. Krishna, that beautiful face should be in my mind, in my thoughts all the time. Krishna, please bless me. Oh Krishna, in that battlefield, it is hot sun. In that hot sun, you were doing so much, you were taking so much of trouble, you were working very hard with that Sramavari Alankruta. Because of that hard work, you were getting sweated. All those sweating drops on your divine face, moving here and there and wetting all your hair. Such beautiful face. Rayajata Shremato బిందు యుతమై రాజిల్లు నెమ్మోముతో. Those sweat drops, those wet hair going here and there on your face, making your face more and more glow. That face can captivate all the planets. Krishna, such face should be in my thoughts all the time. Madilo chintintu nasrantamun. Let me always think about that kind of face. Let me always contemplate, meditate upon that beautiful face. Oh Krishna, in that Kurukshetra battlefield, when I was shooting all my arrows, mama nisitasaraihi vibhidyamana tvachi vilasat, my very sharp, very powerful arrows coming and hitting your body and just getting inserted into your body, all my arrows, and making wounds all over your body. Such all the arrows getting inserted, such beautiful body, and all wounded, such beautiful body. With my arrows, with those wounds, your body was glowing more and more. Hey Bhagavan Krishna, such beautiful Divya Mangala Vigraham Jayamun Pardhuna మృత్యు వేడ్కనని నా శస్త్రాహతంచాలనొచ్చియు పూరించు మహానుభావు. పరమాత్మ, that beautiful దివ్యమంగళ విగ్రహం should be in my thoughts all the time. నా మదిలో చింతింతు నశ్రాంతమున్న. Let me always think about that దివ్యమంగళ విగ్రహం. Let me always meditate upon that beautiful దివ్యమంగళ విగ్రహం on which my arrows were inserted and made all wounds all over the body. Like this Bhishma Pitamaha, he is sounding like regretting, but also he is recalling the beauty of Paramatma even after having so many wounds and arrows on that body. That is how Bhishma Pitamaha, in a very, very special, peculiar way, he is offering his prayers. Afterwards, what happens, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become his most beloved devotees, and then he will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. Ho Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. For Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanaastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayana Astram. Jai Sriman Narayana.